everyone, and welcome to Family Farming Island Home. A game that's name rolls off the tongue. The storm is truly terrifying. Is everyone okay? Dad! I'm scared. My hand's backwards. What's going on with his hand there, man? I'm scared. Both me and Mom are fine. Obviously, your hand is broken, though. It's facing the wrong direction and shit. But Nick seems to have minor scratches and his hand is backwards. It's fortunate we had a lifeboat. Sorry. It's fortunate we had a lifeboat and our entire family is okay. But I don't know. Grandparents, Aunt Dorothy, Uncle Leonard, they're fucking dead. And also Butler Johnson. I can't see him. Hang on. And also Butler Johnson, I can't see him. Everything happened so quickly. Perhaps the others managed to get the lifeboat in time. I hope so too. But where are we right now, dear? Seems like the perfect place to have sex. Doesn't seem like the time, sweetie. I was just like throwing ideas around, you know what I mean? Just doesn't seem right at this moment, you know what I mean? I'm sure we could send the kids off into the forest. And then we could go for it, you know what I mean? But the kids might get die in there, and that would be kind of awkward. You know, help us! And then they'd die, and we'd be responsible or whatever, because we couldn't hold back our urges. I don't know. It could be a deserted island. Wow, a real deserted island! Just like in the movies. What? A deserted island? It's a very beautiful place with delicious fruits. Conveniently. There's nothing to be afraid of, my dear. Well, except for the dangerous carnivorous animals and deadly poisonous plants. Catherine, stop your teasing, and Nick, man up. And Nick, man up. The Bauer boys aren't scared of anything. First of all, we need to find a place to rest. And something to eat. The kids must be starving. I see some wild berries. We can eat them. Are you sure those berries are edible? Yes! These Saskatoon berries. They're rich in vitamin B, Mom. You should give them a try. Yummy! Berries are delicious! Bro's doing a fucking dance on the beach. Yo. I'm doing a dance while filming this video. You can't see. You can't see it, but I'm doing an epic dance right now. Okay. Enough eating. Sorry, my voice. Okay. Enough eating. Let us find a place to stay before it gets dark. Those bushes are too big. We can't go any further. Let's handle it! I know how to chop them up. Catherine, how do you know all these things? I learned from books and TV. It's not a waste to learn survival skills. I'm a big Bear Grylls fan. We should keep this pile of grass. It can be useful later on. This place looks decent. The ground is flat and quite spacious. Though it's not as spacious as the bathroom in our mansion. We can build a base here. Let's start with a tent. You know how to make a tent? Yes, Father, but I'm gonna need everyone's help. Yo, dude, this is so lit. Yo, I'm so happy right now. We're short on grass. Let's gather some more. Okay. Let's do it. Yo, get to work. Well, good job, daughter. Good job fucking getting all that stuff for me while I stood over to the side here. I'm really proud of you. Thanks, Dad. Yo, level up. Yo, level up. Whoa.
Wow, what fancy tent we have.
Not bad, daughter. Why are they not saying names? Not bad, daughter. Staying in a larger tent can help us recover more energy. Not bad, daughter.
Everyone must be exhausted from working. If only I can cook a hot meal.
A hot meal? I'll set up a fire right away, Mom.
Damn. This chick's fucking knowledgeable, man. Sure.
Maybe pick a slightly more convenient play. Okay. You're doing it there. That's fine. Now we just need more cooking ingredients.
I saw a
Let me try that again.
I saw a potato.
Try that again.
I saw potato plants around here. We can make roasted potatoes. My favorite dish. Let me help. These are the biggest potatoes I've ever seen.
Good job, you two.
Well, I guess good job, daughter. Who doesn't have a name. She was the one who, like, has done most of the work. I don't know, like, why I was congratulating my son as well. Such a disappointment, that boy. Yo, make fried potato. Why are you making fucking chips, man? At least use the fucking getting stuck on fucking a desert island as a good opportunity to, like, change your fucking diet. No, we're making chips. Gather round, kids, we're making chips. The potatoes are almost ready, but we can't eat them on the ground. Wow, this guy's a fucking bitch.
Why not, Father?
Because we're a powerful Buer family. And powerful people don't eat on the ground, son.
Over there, there's a large flat rock we can use.
Okay, now you're starting to get into know-it-all territory, bitch.
Tablestone check.
Just in time for the roasted potatoes are ready. So let's bring them all the way from over here to here.
So let's eat. Are we eating or like what?
Yeah, man, my first time eating Mom's cooking. She never cooks at home. That's done by a slave. I feel much more energetic now.
Thanks, kids. Maybe I will cook more when we get back home.
I truly don't. It's a slave's job. It's a slave's job. I truly hope that we didn't drift too far away. This place is too messy. We need to clean up first. It's fucking... You're in the middle of the forest, man. Sure. Let's start with this rock. I will break it before someone trips over it. What is he doing? He's breaking a rock. He missed.
Great, Father! We can use those rocks to upgrade the tent.
Huh? Oh, of course. That was my plan. Hit two birds with one stone. Watch and learn, kids. Falls over one of the rocks, crushes his head.
Well, that was embarrassing.
Bro, they all do different things when you tap on them. He has a tantrum. She wipes her forehead. She laughs and dances. What does the dumb kid do? He dances. Stupid kid, such a disappointment. Nice. Dude, level 3. I'm so happy. I am so happy. I'm so happy. Alright, everyone. Gather round. Now we have a decent roof over our heads. It's time for the next step. We might be stuck here for a while, so let's do our best to adapt and survive.
It's easier said than done, Father. We don't even have a simple string.
I can make string, but we need a loom.
Mom, me. I know how to make a loom.
This is no time for joke, Nick. A loom is a woman's job, not a man's. Not a man's job! That hurt. I hit my chest too hard. This is always shitting. Dude's fucking crying, man. What the fuck? It's serious. I'm being serious.
I'll help you, Nick. It's time for your father to know how good you're capable of.
Catherine, I'm really worried. What if Father...
I'm here for you, little Nick. Have confidence. I know you can do this. Loom is completed.
And it works perfectly, too.
I can't believe it. My little boy's a sissy. My little boy's a girl. What a horrible...
That's the truth, Father. Little Nick is a brilliant engineer.
Why do you tell me this, Nick?
I was afraid you'd be angry, and now I know that you were. You always want me to take over the business of the family.
We'll discuss that later. Yeah, sure can't get over the business. We need to focus on survival first. Yo, how long have you fucking playing, man? Yo, long enough. Just smash subscribe for these guys probably all dying out here. Dad's dying first, I reckon. So the others will be able to live off his corpse for a while. Then the mum will probably she'll probably die next. So the kids will have another thing to eat. And then eventually the redhead chick will, as she's stronger than the little boy, will turn on him and resort to cannibalize him for the last time. And then she'll be all out of food at that point, and that's when she'll die. That's my story. Anyway, just smash subscribe for them all eventually dying.